everyone, so we're from group number 1.
So we will introduce ourselves first.
My name is Angger Ludwig Betancourt, number 5.
And my name is Baswara Purbawana, absent 6.
My name is Joyce, number 16.
I'm Bella Dinda, number 7.
I'm Magdalena Michelle Gracia, number 21.
And I, Samuel, number 25. Yeah.
And we're from class of 9B.
9B.
Now we're going to show you how to make a volcano pizza.
Yay!
A pizza with a different style.
We can make a lot of things with lactic acid bacteria. For example, like yogurt, butter, and cheese. So, let me teach you how to make mozzarella on your own kitchen. I'm sure you can find all the ingredients near or around your place. First, heat fresh whole milk over low heat until the temperature reaches 47 degrees Celsius. Once the fresh whole milk reaches that temperature, turn off the stove. Second, put 10 tablespoons white vinegar into the fresh whole milk. You can stir just a moment and leave it for 2 until 3 minutes. Then, collect the curd and you can strain the curd until the water comes out. Next, put 1 tablespoon salt into the whey. Continue to heating the whey enough to produce smoke. After that, put the cheese into the whey and soak the mozzarella cheese for 6 until 8 seconds. Then strain the mozzarella cheese so the water can come out. Repeat this for 4 times. And finally, the mozzarella cheese are finished. Next, wash off the mozzarella with cold water and leave it in the refrigerator for an hour.
Melt 4 tablespoons margarine. Once the margarine melts, add 2 egg yolks, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and stir until it mixes. Add 130 ml water, one teaspoon of yeast, 250 grams of flour. Stir the dough until it is not sticky. Then, take a damp cloth and cover the dough earlier. Place it in a place exposed to the sunlight for an hour. After an hour, take the dough and knead it again until it's soft. Flatten the dough with a roller. Cut a rectangular shape of the dough that has been flattened earlier. Wrap the dough in the mold. Do not make a gap between the twists. If there is a gap, close the gap by pasting the dough. At 200 Celsius. Put the dough into the oven. Wait for the dough to light golden brown. Remove the dough from the oven and add toppings such as sausage, chili sauce, and tomatoes in 1:1 ratio. Don't forget add mozzarella. In air fryer and heat it until the toppings are cooked. immediately, to eat right away, or wrap it. Enjoy!